1 elephant,
1 elephant,
2 cats,
2 cats,
3 ducks,
3 ducks,
4 hens,
4 hens,
5 balloons,
5 balloons,
6 cats,
6 cats,
7 books,
7 books,
8 gift boxes,
8 gift boxes,
9 eggs,
9 eggs,
10 stars.
10 stars.
Let's count again. 1 book, 2 umbrellas, 3 candles, 4 pencils, 5 balloons, 6 oranges, 7 shoes, 8 cupcakes, 9 plums, 10 strawberries. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.